Hi guys, welcome to BS Academy, a source of knowledge. And today I'm back with another topic, that is types of number system. And the first one is real numbers. Real numbers comprise the full spectrum of numbers. They can take on any form, fractions or whole numbers, decimal points or no decimal points. The full range of real numbers includes decimal that can go on forever and ever without end. For example, 8, 6, 2 plus root 3 or 3 by 5, etc. And the next is natural numbers. A natural number is a number that comes naturally. Natural numbers are counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And the next is whole numbers. Whole numbers are just all the natural numbers plus 0. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity. And the next is integers. Integers incorporate all the qualities of whole numbers and their opposites or additive inverses of the whole numbers. Integers can be described as being positive and negative whole numbers. For example, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And the next comes of rational numbers. All the numbers of this form, that is p by q, are integers where q is not equal to 0 are called as rational numbers. For example, 4, 3 by 4, 0 and etc. And the next comes of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the opposite of rational numbers. An irrational number cannot be written as a fraction, and decimal values for irrational numbers never end and do not have a repeating pattern in them. Pi, with its never-ending decimal places, is rational. For example, plus root 7, root 5, 2 plus root 2 and pi, etc. And the next comes even numbers. Even numbers is one that can be divided evenly by two leaving no remainder, such as 2, 4, 6 and 8. And the next comes of odd numbers. An odd number is one that does not divide evenly by 2, such as 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. And the next is prime number. A prime number is a number which can be divided only by 1 and itself. The prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. Example, 2, 3, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. And the next is composite numbers. A composite number is a number which can be divided evenly, and any composite number has additional factors than 1 and itself. Example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. And the next is coprime numbers, which are also called as relatively prime number. A pair of numbers not having any common factors other than 1 or minus 1. Example, 15 and 18 are coprime because the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, and the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28, which are not in common except 1. So it is a coprime number. And the next is twin primes. A pair of prime numbers that differ by 2, that are successive odd numbers or both prime numbers. Example, 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13. That's it for this video. I'll be back in another video. Thank you.